friends, today I am here and I am doing a video that is a little something different. Usually at the beginning of every year I do a just speaking to you from my heart kind of video. So today I am making a confession. It is not an easy confession to make. It's not a fun confession to make. Basically I am confessing to you as a reformed mean girl. I know, shocking, right? How could Cherry Dollface ever have been a mean girl? But you know what? I was, and I was pretty much the meanest of the mean. So when I was in my late teens, probably into my early 20s, I was very, very insecure. A very insecure human. And instead of just being like, hey, I'm insecure, I was like, hey, I'm awesome and all of you guys suck. And that was just my defense mechanism. And it was when I was really getting into vintage and really getting into pinup and rockabilly, and I was super elitist, and I was honestly just kind of a jerk to people. When I was living in Portland, I wasn't the nicest person. I wasn't nice to the girls around me, and it wasn't really for any reason other than I was insecure and I was jealous, and I had some growing up to do. So I feel like these days a lot of people are jumping on this sort of positivity bandwagon, which is great, and fake it till you make it. And even if you're not positive in real life, whatever, as long as you're putting that out there, I guess it's good in some aspects. But I also feel like I owe it to everybody to be very honest, that I wasn't always very positive and I wasn't always very accepting or encouraging to other women, which obviously has changed for me probably in the last, oh, I don't know, 10 years. It's been a long time. But there definitely was a time when I am not the Cherry Dollface that you guys all know and love now. And I just want everybody to know that it is okay to feel insecure. And I even still feel insecure. And I have moments of jealousy or wanting what other people have, or the success that I see other people having, or the beauty that I see in other people, or the amazing hair, or the amazing whatever it is. I think it's a very natural thing to feel as a human, and so if you are feeling that way, it is totally normal. My advice is that instead of taking it out in a negative way and being mean to the girls around you or just the humans around you, to figure out why in yourself you're feeling that way, and to kind of figure that out without lashing out at other people, which is not what I did. I did the opposite, and I did lash out at other people. I also want to apologize to any of you babes that might be watching this that were on the receiving end of my mean girlness way back in the day. I know it's been a long time, but it is never too late to make amends, and I am really, truly, honestly sorry from the bottom of my heart. I have also been on the other side of somebody being an asshole and being mean and making you feel like you're not good enough, and I am very regretful if I ever made anybody feel that way. So there it is, my deep, dark confessions of a formal mean girl. I guess basically the point of this video is just to let you guys know that nobody is perfect, and none of us came out of the womb being perfect at everything in the world. I talk about it on Instagram all the time, how I hate the hashtag goals, because I feel like thinking of any other human as goals for yourself in any way, whether it's physical or mental or spiritual or whatever, is unrealistic. So just be you, be the best you that you can be, try to be nice to other humans, and you know what? When you make mistakes along the way, it's okay to admit that you're wrong. It's okay to go back and apologize. I actually contacted a girl that for a few years I was very, very mean to a long, long time ago, and found her on Facebook and actually wrote her an apology, directly apologizing for my behavior to her, and she wrote me back, and she was very grateful for it. So, and it made me feel good too that I had made amends there. So it is never too late, but also we are all human and we all do bad things, and we can all be assholes and we can all be mean girls, but all we can do is keep moving forward and keep staying positive and keep being encouraging and positive to each other. And I guess that's it. There's no real moral of the story. Just don't be assholes. And if you are, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Just keep on keeping on. Alright, that's it, babes. I hope you guys are having a good 2018, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.